Hello my dear students, I Mrs. Supriya Sonone welcome you all to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you mathematics subject of grade 2. So children, till now we have completed 3 lessons. Now I will ask you some questions. Here I have 2 pencils, 1 and 2 in my hand. One is long, this is long, and one is short. How we came to know about the difference, children? By measuring their length. So today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is measurement. Open your Canopy textbook, page number 60. See, what is measurement? Measurement is the finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. We can measure the length, weight and capacity. Okay. Now we will see measuring length. Now we will see measuring length. We can measure the length with the help of our body parts that we are called non-standard units. Non-standard units. We can use our body part for measuring length, that is called non-standard units. For example, cubit, palm, a digit and a handspan. We will see one by one. What is mean by cubit? Cubit means the distance from the tip of the middle finger to the elbow. The distance from the tip of middle finger to the elbow. This is called cubit. Okay. So here is activity. Use parts of our body to measure and fill in the box. First we will see cubit. My desk is dash cubits long. My desk is dash cubits long. See? I am measuring my desk with the help of cubits. See here, 1 cubit and 2 cubits. Means my desk is 2 cubits long. My desk is 2 cubits long. Cubits means the distance from tip of the middle finger to the elbow. Okay, see, distance from the tip of the middle finger to the elbow. This is called cubit. And my desk is 2 cubits long. Now second, a palm. My book is dash palms long. Palms means it is the unit of distance equal to the width of 4 fingers closely pressed together. See. Palm means the distance from this little finger to the thumb. This is called palm. I am measuring this book with my palm. See, 1, 2 and 3 means my book is 3 palms long. Do you understood? Now third one, a digit. a digit. Digit means one finger. This is called digit. Okay. Now I will measure pencil with my digit. How much long it is? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My pencil is 7 digits long. You have to do this activity with me. Okay. Now fourth, that is a handspan. Fourth body part, that is called a handspan. We use our body part for measuring the object, that is called handspan. What is mean by handspan? It is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger in a stretched hand. See, distance from the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb in a stretched hand, that is called handspan. My classroom window is dash handspan wide. Here I am measuring the board with my handspan. See, 1 handspan, 2 handspan, 3 handspan, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My board is 10 handspan. Okay. Instead of classroom window, you have to, instead of classroom window, you have to measure your house window. Okay. I shown you how to took measurement by handspan. Start from this tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb in a stretched hand. Okay, this is called handspan. These non-standard units keep rough estimate of length as they differ from person to person. Estimate means rough calculation. Rough calculation. Okay. Now next, we will see standard units. Now we will see standard units. See, activity 2, measure the length of your study desk with your handspan. Okay, you have to do this activity at your home. Now ask an elder to use his or her handspan to do the same. Okay. Length using your handspan. Length using your handspan, you have to write here, and then length using an elder's handspan. Length using an elder's handspan, they will write here. Are the two measurements different? Yes. Why? They are different because your hand span is smaller than your an elder's hand span. Both are different because your hand span is smaller than your an adult's hand span or your an elder's hand span. When we measure something, we need a fixed unit that everyone can use. When we measure something, we need a fixed unit that everyone can use. Otherwise, our measurements will not be the same. Okay. See, this activity you have to do by your own at your home with your an elder sister or brother. Or you can do with your father or mother. Okay. Length using your hand span, you have to write here, and length using an elder's hand span, right here. Now, which are these standard units? Which are these standard units? See, centimeter and meter. Centimeter and meter. For measuring small lengths such as the length of a book or a pencil, we use the standard unit of length called centimeter. Means measuring small lengths such as the length of a book or pencil, or we can use compass box. We use the standard unit of length called centimeter. And it is written in short as cm. cm. It is written in short as cm. See, our finger is about 1 centimeter thick. Our finger is about 1 centimeter thick. Next, we can use a ruler to measure in centimeters. We can use a ruler to measure in centimeters. See, we can use this ruler to measure in centimeter. Okay. To measure the length of a pencil with a ruler. To measure the length of a pencil with a ruler, place it along the ruler with one end. We have to measure length of this pencil with a ruler. How we will measure? Place it along the ruler with one end. See, at the 0 mark. At the 0 mark. And the marking at the other end of the ruler gives us the length of pencil. The marking at the other end. The marking at the other end. See. of the ruler gives us the length of a pencil. Means length of the pencil is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. See, start from this 0, 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. 1 to 2, 2 centimeter. Start from this 0, 2 to 3, 3 centimeter. Means the length of a pencil is 7 centimeter. Start from this 0 and see another point. Where it is? At the 7. Means the length of this pencil is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. We measure small lengths using centimeter. We measure small lengths using centimeter. For example, length of pencil, length of book, length of pencil, length of book or length of compass box, we can measure in centimeter. We can measure in centimeter. Okay. Now turn the page. We have seen centimeter. Now we will see meter. Meter. For measuring longer lengths such as the length of a room. Longer length such as the length of a room or the height of a tree. We use the standard unit of length called meter. Called meter. What is the spelling of meter? M-E-T-R-E. Meter. And it is written in short as small m. Small m. Or in small letter m. Okay. If you spread out your arms, the distance is about 1 meter. If you spread out your arms, the distance is about 1 meter. See, this is 1 meter distance from this finger to this finger. Okay. I want to show some objects. I want to show some objects. See children, what is this? What is this? This is a measuring tape. Who uses it? Yes, tailor. Tailor uses this measuring tape for measuring cloth. Okay. And what is this? This is also measuring tape or meter tape. Who uses this? Carpenter. Tailors and carpenters measure objects in meter using tape or meter scale. Meter scale or tape. Measuring tape. Okay. Now 100 centimeters make 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We can use a meter scale or a measuring tape to measure in meters. I have shown you meter scale and measuring tape. Okay. A meter scale is 1 meter or 100 centimeter long. A meter scale is 1 meter or 100 centimeter long. See, this measuring scale is 1 meter or 100 centimeter long. 1 meter or 100 centimeter long. Now, we will see third activity. See here, one activity. Use a ruler to measure the length. Use a ruler to measure the length of your desk in centimeters. You have to measure the length of your desk in centimeters. Okay. Ask an elder to do the same. Instead of this desk, you can measure table. You can measure the length of table. Okay. Length of desk measured by you. You have to write here. In centimeter. It will come in centimeter. And length of days measured by an elder, right here. What do you see? What do you see? Both measurements are the same. Yes, both the measurements are same. This is because meter and centimeter are standard units. Meter and centimeter are standard units of length. Similarly, there are standard units of weight and capacity. Similarly, there are standard units of weight and capacity. See, meter and centimeter are standard units of length. Meter and centimeter are standard units of length. Okay. You have to do this activity at your home. Write here measurements. Length of desk is here, but instead of desk, you can measure the length of your table, study table. And write here measurement. And length of table measured by an elder. And write here measurement. It will come in centimeter. Okay. And both the measurements are the same. Both the measurements will come in the same. Okay. Now, exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. See, use the ruler shown to measure the length of each object in centimeters. Use the rulers shown to measure the length of each object in centimeters. See, place one end of this pencil at 0 and see where is the another point of pencil at 9, means the length of this pencil is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Next, we have to measure the length of pin. We have to measure the length of pin. See, 1 point at the 0 and another point is at 3, means the length of this pin is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Now see number, we have to measure of this object length. We have to measure the length of this object. See, one point is at 0 and another point is at, where it is? 12, means the length of this object is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Now D number, we have to measure the length of this object. What is this? This is a scissor. We have to measure the length of scissor. Place one end at the 0 and another point is at 6. So, length of this scissor is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay. Next, E and F will be the homework. Remaining two sums will be the homework, E and F. You have to measure the length of this object and you have to write in the box. Okay. So students, I hope you understood the concept of measurement. We have seen non-standard unit and standard unit. Remaining part we will see in the next session. Okay, thank you. Bye.